Alright, I finally got audio. Finally sit and run my mouth while I'm talking. Hope y'all are having a good one. My wife is, this is her maiden voyage since her surgery, so we'll see how long this ride lasts. It may not be very long, so depending on how she's feeling. Definitely weird. I gotta get used to this whole talking and riding thing. Hopefully it comes out good. I was having issues with Mike the other day, yesterday to be exact. I filmed a whole video and had absolutely no audio. It was great. Hopefully this ride does good for her. She's still in a lot of pain, but so a little bit about myself, I guess, since I finally have audio. So I'm Nick. My channel's obviously, what is it, EDMR? Stands for Everyday Motorcycle Rider. But a little bit of back history for me. I've been riding since I was 15 and a half. My parents bought I was using my parents' bike, my mom's to be exact. She had a Vulcan 500 with a Ninja 500 crotch rock engine in it. And when I turned 16, I decided I didn't want to ride that anymore. I was more of a sport bike guy. So I convinced them to get me a Ninja 250 since they wouldn't let me have anything that would do wheelies. Let's see, I rode that for, I don't know, off and on until I was 19. And I ended up buying a CBR 600RR. Rode that bike for a while. Absolutely loved that bike. Wish I still had it. Ended up wrecking it, doing a wheelie on the highway. And put it back together. Rode it for a little while longer, ended up selling it. After a little bit I ended up getting a Harley, a Sportster 883 iron, all blacked out. It was a nice bike. Not a Harley guy, once again, not a cruiser, but it was good to, it was nice. I'm not going to talk bad about it because I actually really liked that bike. Ended up getting rid of that after a while and got a Sea-Doo. Ripped that around, had a blast on it. And yeah, ended up getting rid of that. And then a few years later, decided I always wanted a Grom since they came out, but you know, budget couldn't allow it, so I got this Boom Vader. And I freaking love this thing, man. Thing's a blast. For the money, you just definitely can't beat it. But I'll be doing some review videos, you know, I got some stuff I want to do to it. I got all the, for the most part, all the mods you need done to it. It rips, not even gonna lie. I don't know why people talk crap about it, because this thing freaking rips. I got like 408 miles on it now. So my wife, she ended up, her goal was to get her motorcycle's license. It was a bucket list item for her, so we did that this year. Got her that, so she can learn how to ride, get used to it and everything. She's doing great. We'll probably bump her up into like a Ninja 400 or 500 or something like that she wants. Future. So me, I am torn. I almost want a little Ninja as well, you know, something to go rip the twisties on, you know, but at the same time I've been looking at a DRZ 400 Supermoto. That bike just, I've always loved Supermotos, man, and that bike, you can get it cheap. Looks like an absolute blast. I love modifying things. That's something just I can't keep anything stock, so that's something I can, you know, modify and enjoy and stuff like that. But we'll see. I haven't decided yet. So of course I'm going to keep this. So I don't have any plans of ever getting rid of it. Shoot, my daughter's going to be big enough. She'll be riding for too long. She's only 4, but still. So yeah, that's a little bit about me. The bike, and I'll do a mod. You know, go over the mods and everything I got done to the bike. But it's a Boom Vader, picked up at the beginning of this year. It's pretty nice. Stance down. Well, front wheels are a little stance too much for me, but whatever. But the bike, it's got all the mods you're supposed to do to them. It's got Mikuni 22 millimeters, 22 or 24, I don't remember, millimeter carb, ripped off another bike. That's sitting in my garage. I you know, got that red filter on there. I figured it matches the theme of the bike, black and red. Let's see here. I got the 2-piece exhaust, which I think has the best can you can get on the bike. I think it's the best looking one. Or one of the best, I should say. There's one I like a lot more, but that's big money that I don't have. Got levers, aftermarket levers, grips. I haven't done the bar swap yet. I don't know. I like these bars. They're not too hateful. Obviously, I haven't wrecked it yet, so I'm sure as soon as I lay it down its first time, which is bound to happen. I rip around S turns and stuff fast enough. It's gonna happen, and I don't have too much faith in these Chinese tires. So we'll see. I'll hopefully switch those out this winter. But, you know, tail tidy, got that on. See how she's doing.
How did you get this far?
Doing good? Yeah. Good.
Probably be easier to turn right than turn left out of here.
Yeah.
Instructions all there.
Yeah.
Okay.
As long as you want to ride, I'll ride with you.
You have gas?
I have 2 bars, so I can go a little ways.
I'm right above E.
Oh, do we want to stop and just get some gas?
A quarter thing. So safe. Go easier.
Okay. Well, it's up to you, whatever you want to do.
We'll just do this north there through the home.
Okay.
Is that okay?
That's fine. Let's see here. What else I got done to the bike is I got the 3rd engine mount done. So what's she doing? Okay. Yeah, I got the 3rd engine mount done. I got a 17.2 sprocket. Sprocket cover, a red anodized sprocket cover. I think that's it. Yeah, I think that's it right now. So future plans for the bike, I'm gonna drop the gearing in the rear from 34, probably to about 32, maybe 30, we'll see. I don't know, people keep saying the bike don't have enough power for that, but this thing rips through the gears. So, we looked at buying that house a few years back. They cleaned it up real nice. It was trashed when we were looking at it. But, oh, they redid this house too. That's pretty. That's cute. Pretty cute. Yeah, if you guys want to see videos of that thing, that's a Honda Navi, let me know. Might be able to do some videos of it. I don't know, maybe she'll let me start modifying it. What's that stupid sticker say? Stay feral. Really? Feral girl? Feral goblin? Is that what that license plate says? Oh, I love this bike. So loud, it's just freaking, I can floor it everywhere. And it's not fast enough to get in trouble for the most part. Oh, I really hope this audio comes out. I was having issues yesterday. I tested it. I turned the gain way down because super loud. It didn't work the other day. Then I got it working. Then it was super loud. And so I'm hoping it turns out okay. We'll see. I tell you what, that Honda Nabby, if anybody's ever interested in it, it's a pretty sweet little bike. They make all sorts of stuff to make it faster and everything, and modify them out. And it's a pretty sweet bike. If you want something to just scoot around on, you know, like almost like a scooter, because it's got a centrifugal force clutch in it, so there's no shifting. I mean, that thing freaking is awesome. Got plenty of storage and everything. Look into it. Man, this bike sounds so good. It's just it's a freaking street legal dirt bike. That's literally all it is. Street legal dirt bike. And I rip it around like one too. It's probably the most fun bike I've ever had. And that's why this thing's like making me want to get a supermoto, because I feel like it's just, I need something to get on the highway for work, so. Yeah. This thing's just got, like, for a little 125cc, it's got so much power. So much power. And I have it geared up to a 17.2 sprocket. Like, I can absolutely go lower in the rear, make it a little faster. I mean, it's only 125cc, so it's not, like, super fast, like, super powerful. But, ew, for something in my flat area, I mean, we got no hills here. I mean, when we do, it still goes up fourth gear, no problem. I mean, shoot, I can ride, me and her can get on this thing and cruise around all day, 45 plus, no problem. One-handed, no problem over some bumps. Now, obviously, I got a little more, many years in riding and whatnot, but still, like, this thing's smooth. It's just, it's a fantastic little thing. I haven't even done like the fork upgrade yet. The fork fluid, I need to do that still. I need new tires. These freaking China tires, I don't know, I don't trust them. So anyways, that'll do it for this video. So, catch you all in the next one. Peace.